Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your font in Roblox on mobile using your phone settings. This method works by changing the system font on your device, which can also affect how text appears inside certain apps. Let's go step by step. First, open the Roblox app later to see the change, but the font adjustment will be done from your phone settings. Step 1. Open Phone Settings. Start by opening Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Display. Inside the display settings, look for Font Size and Style or Font Style. The exact name may vary depending on your phone's brand. Step 2. Choose a new font. Now tap on Font Style. Here, you'll see different font options available on your device. Select the font you like and apply it. Some phones also allow you to download additional fonts from their theme store. Step 3. Open Roblox. Once the font is applied, open Roblox again. You may notice that certain text elements follow your device's new system font depending on how the app renders text. Important note, warning. Not all parts of Roblox will change fonts because many games use their own built-in fonts. However, adjusting the system font can still affect some interface text on your device. Final result. And that's it. Ta-da! You've successfully changed your device font, which may also change how text appears in apps like Roblox. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll